Hello, good day. So this is a demonstration video on how you can activate a package. So firstly, ensure you log into your back office. Then on the left hand side, you locate finance and click on it. Then you locate activate a package and click on it. So this page, the package activation page will open up for you. You add a username you want to activate a package for. You can activate a package for yourself or for others. The system allows it. So once you add your desired username, you click on verify. The distributor name and current package will be displayed. So you select your desired package. So once you're done doing that, you click on next. The system will send you a message that your package selection is partner. Then you click on OK to continue. Then this is the product selection page. You have to select your desired product. For this package, which is partner, the total PV should not be less than 50, but it can be above 50. I'll select this product. So once you select a product, the product will be displayed below, and you impute the quantity. Once you're done doing that, you add to cart. Then I'll go ahead and select another product. Then I'll add the quantity. Then I'll say add to cart. So the product will be listed out here. So in case you added a product in error, you can come here and delete it. You can come here and take it off. Or choose to take this one off. So I can add another one if I want. So once I'm satisfied with my product selection, the total amount and the total PV will be displayed here. So it has to be less than, it has to be 50 or more than 50. It shouldn't be less than 50. And this satisfies the condition, so we can proceed now. Click on next. And this page will be displayed for me, the payment page. The payment is by transaction wallet. So if you have the required amount in your transaction wallet and you're satisfied with it, you can go ahead and click on purchase to activate the package. So you're going to get this message, purchase completed successfully. Then you click on OK. Thank you for watching this video.